Here we are, entering the Flybridge area. Coming right up over here to the helm, we see we've got colored electronics, our full gauge, compass, Ronin radar, right up over here. Dual seating. We've got our throttles, engine controls, right there. Here we have our warning systems, trim tabs, Lendenning sink. Lots of seating room up here. We also have, right up over here, a storage area that's plumbed so it can be used as a cooler for refreshments. Large port side seating area, storage underneath. Nice cocktail table that comes up or lowers. Nice lounger for lots of friends, family, right up here. Great view out the aft. We can see we've got a lot of rocket launchers. Let's check out that big cockpit down there. She actually measures about 13.5 feet by 10 feet. Got a great barbecue, stainless steel barbecue right up over there. Prep cable, so it's seen a lot of prep. A nice ladder that's not too steep, easy to get up to the Flybridge.